Right, good morning. Bright and early start for the build. So I've got a feeling I'm going to be walking up and down this lane an awful lot today, as this is the approach from the road to the plot. Just moved my car out of the way, ready for the lorry and the builders to arrive. The construction crew actually arrived yesterday evening, so they found the plot eventually. And then actually came and did a quick check of the foundations, checked the levels, checked the basic setup, access, etc, etc, and they were all happy and good with that, which is a great relief, and that we haven't got to get Dave back to actually start doing some major amendments to the foundations initially. So hopefully we'll all go. Just approaching the plot now, all nice and clear. I'm ready for today's start. So the first sections of the house arrived this morning and have been deposited in the paddock. Basically came on 2 lorries, one complete 40-foot Arctic, and then a few more bits just down here which actually came on a flatbed. So those the posi joints. Nice big blue boy's toy that I'm allowed to play with. JCB 18-metre telehandler. Massive bit of kit, really useful for unloading. Maybe I'll get to play with it a bit later. So the 2 guys, Phil and Dave, are already hard at work putting in the sole plate and the watertight membrane that goes around the foundations. So basically it's a lovely piece of wood that they're drilling and nailing into place. As they're going on, they're also checking the trues on the foundation itself, checking it's all level, straight and in line with what's required. See the sole plate a bit better here.